Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting your PS5 to the internet via Wi-Fi. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Network. Now select Settings. Click Set up Internet Connection. Here under Registered Networks you can reconnect to previously connected networks. To connect to a new Wi-Fi, go to Networks Found and select your Wi-Fi from the list. If you don't see your network here, tap the triangle button to refresh. Enter your Wi-Fi password here and then click OK. Your PS5 is now connected to Wi-Fi. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.